along, boys. Run along. Run along.
Poor Meggie. Such a hard time fitting in.
How's our little project coming in?
Almost finished. Excuse me.
Hold your hands up, please. Your hands, Megan Cleary. So, we're still biting them, are we?
Yes, sister.
All right. Turn them over.
Great day. I love it.
That will do, sister. Thank you. Come along, Meggie.
I'm sorry, Father. Are you going to send me back to Dravita?
That's up to you, Meggie. Do you want to go back?
Oh, no. I love school. And being here with you. But Sister Agatha...
Well, I think she understands a little better now, don't you? But you know, the convent isn't really a very homey place for you. In fact, Annie and I have been thinking that what you need is your very own special place. Here, with us. Would you like that, Meggie?
Oh, could I? Honest?
Come on.
Father!
Why do you tug so at my heart? Why do you fill that space God can't fill?